This is our dinner. Request ng anak ko. Gusto niya na mag-hotpot sa bahay. So, ayan. Mahal sa labas. So, bumili na lang kami. Para dito na lang kami sa loob ng bahay mag-hotpot. Ganyan lang. Okay. I guess the pork belly is for grill. Dito lo.
No.
Huh?
No.
Really? Hindi ko type yung pork. I don't like that pork. Gusto niya makimukbang pero ayaw niya magpakita. Oh, what is this? Let me try. Maybe I want that too. But don't put oyster.
There's no oyster. Just soy sauce and
Okay.
teriyaki. Do you want it spicy a little bit?
Yeah. Remove your earpod dito lo.
Why?
Because it's on the way. You're gonna drop something on there.
Oh no.
Yep. Request niya to. You want me to put some here? You're gonna eat this?
Yeah.
You want to put some of this?
Yeah.
Yep, hindi pa siya handang magpakita sa inyo guys. Hindi ko man pwedeng pilitin, di ba? Alam niyo naman. Mabait tayong nanay, hindi pwedeng pilitin ang ayaw.
Dad, the crawfish shouldn't take that long, right?
Well, I just put it. It's not even a minute ago. Let them...
All right, you gotta wait until it heats up.
I know. That's all.
It's still a little frozen in the middle. It's fully cooked, but still. Sorry.
Water, please.
Can I need some water?
You just want to point out, I don't get this kind of service.
Kasi ayaw niya kumain. So sabi ko, sige. Yung anak niya hihingi-hingi sa kanya. Dito, ganyan. Yung slice meat, mabilis siyang mag-ano. Ganyan lang. Anong pagkakantahimik lang.
Tastes like sauce they make over there.
You like it?
Yeah.
Sure, Mom's a little spicy, same thing.
Wala ko naman.
I don't like spice.
Yan ako. Anong like this? Hindi siya makanin. Ako lang ang makanin sa pamilyang ito. Ako lang ang makanin. Sarap. Wala kaming vegetable, so naglagay ako ng lettuce. Para lang may green. Mushroom lang ang ano. Nakit, give me your ano. Gahot.
How's the meat?
Good.
I like the beef.
The pork doesn't really go with the sauce that much, but it's good by itself.
You want salt and pepper?
No. You want to try it?
Alright.
Try the pork.
No, that's alright. I have trouble.
No, try it.
I have
It's
trouble
the
swallowing
pork.
pork.
Swallow this.
I think I'm gonna believe you.
I choked on it last time I tried that.
Oh, it's spicy.
Is it done? Yeah, it looks done.
No, you're right.
That is done.
I'm going to cook meat. I'm going to go. Ito pa naka. Oh, here. Get your own. Where you have your plums too. Try na. Let me try. Let's try the octopus. That. It's chewy enough.
You want chopsticks on?
I'm down for this, Daddy, if you don't mind. Here, here's your pork.
Well, that's steak.
Okay, talaga. Be careful. Be careful, ha? Give me here. Lower, cooler down. Yeah, go. You're gonna put it here, okay? You just get it. No. Favorite itong crawfish. Ouch.
What? Oh, for the...
Yeah. I put it here little, okay? So it's get cooler. need me to put this to you.
No, not with the oven.
I guess we need to get the. I'm gonna go get it. Oh, you wanna try squid?
No.
Huh?
Yeah.
Here or there?
Octopus.
Wow. We have some correction person on the other program. It's okay. Yeah. How much your talent fee dito, lo? $200 per hour? Huh?
Oh.
Just scroll here, okay? It's hard to get it. So, that's ko rin. Ako. Hindi ko alam, ako pala ay hindi makakakain ng gusto ng ganito. Kasi kaya ayoko ng hotpot eh. Ayan, ganyan. Hindi ka tulad ng barbecue. Ma-overcook kasi. Ayan. Okay. Let's cook this because it's hard to cook, right? Nilagay ko na yung mga galamay-galamay na yan.
How's the crab roast?
Good.
Ayaw niya kasing kumain. Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
Does the soup taste good?
Yeah.
Lagay natin lahat ng octopus para maluto.
Only 15 audience.
What?
What 15 audience?
No. The child speaking, it looks like he's 20.
Daddy, start making comments. Ito masarap siya. Masarap yung ginawa ni kanong soy sauce.
What's the time?
Masarap siya, guys. Ano na? Good? Good old fam. No, put your water there. Put your shell here.
What?
Your shell. Yeah. But be careful on the shell, ha? Hmm.
Yeah.
Kaya tayong crab. Kasi pag sa labas, mahal. Pag kami lang ang gumamit ng ano, kami lang gumawa ng sauce. Kahit na, you like your sauce?
Yeah.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Good, good, good. sarap ng crab leg. And this Alaska crab.
Snow crab.
What do you call this, Tita?
No.
Snow?
Yeah.
The snow?
Snow crab.
Snow crab. Hindi ko alam. Alam ko lang crab. Yun lang ang alam ko. Crab. Ito yung soft. Right? Dunking crab. Ah, dito lang.
Yeah.
Alam nyo na kung sino lang maglilinis nito pagkakaan. Ako lang. Kasi diba, hindi naman tulungan ako niya. Sigurado. So, you got your locker?
Yeah.
You got your textbook?
Yeah.
How many?
One.
Only one?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
How about your,
I have one class with one of my friends, and that's it.
oh, the one who's supposed to, the one who's coming?
Yeah.
Is he your classmate?
He is, yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good that you're happy. Is she happy too?
Yeah.
How do you find out? You guys check both?
Yeah, we both just had the same schedules.
Oh, that's nice. Si Filipino?
He is, yeah.
He is?
Mm-hmm.
Ako, lagi akong kinukorek ng mag-ama. Kasi, I always address yung babae na he. Kasi yung lalaki, she. Minsan nagkakamali ako. Sa background, tumatawa yung asawa ko. Asawa lang. Kaya kinukorek ako ng anak ko. Kaya sinabi, Ma'am, he, not she. The mom dropped them off? Dropped him off? Huh?
What?
Today? The parents?
Yeah.
What's his last name?
Lee.
Lee? Are you Filipino?
No.
Oh, Asian.
Chinese.
Oh, he's Chinese. Oh, sorry naman. So, a lot of friends. You have Indian friend. Is he taking, what are you guys taking? Photography or cooking?
Digital imaging.
Huh?
Digital imaging.
Imaging?
Mm-hmm.
Are you too?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that what you want to do?
Mm-hmm.
Napakatipid na sumagot. Oo. Mahihain kasi yan. Mahihain pa siya. Kasi nagmana sa nanay niya madaldal. Ang asawa ko madaldal din naman. Siguro kasi solong anak. Pero, proud ako sa kanya kasi sa school niya, siya lang yung nag-asikaso ng enrollment niya. Sarap. Good job. Oh, spicy. I like the octopus flavor. Okay. Can you put on the side?
Yeah. Would get some of the stuff off it.
Here, they have more there. You just, anak, that's only a spring onion.
Oh, no.
So, you can just remove it. My goodness. How can I enjoy the meal? Look like I'm your helper. It's still hot. Let them cooler. Let them cool, anak. Oh, this is good with soju. Only for mommy, not for you. Put that everything na. I like the beef than the pork. How about you? You like both? Si init. Mainit is hot dito lang. Okay? When I said mainit, it means hot. Bunadad man niya ako. Ayaw na matuto ng Tagalog. Hindi ko lang kung bakit. Be careful anak, make sure hindi ka mainom, mutaso. Masarap siya. Simple lang. How much you spend for this, Daddy?
110.
Huh?
110.
110 with crumbs and everything. Why you decide to eat this one dito, no?
He likes going to hot pot. Did you tell Mom about the seapot?
Don't see pa. Don't see pa lang. Just tell me.
Well, no, spit it out if it's too big and it's too hot.
Okay. You got it.
You right?
He's making too much comment on the back of the camera.
Dad, explain Seapot.
What is that?
It's just all you can eat for any place.
And you don't eat there?
Huh?
You don't eat there?
Couple times. I like the hot pot.
What did you eat today?
Today?
Yeah.
Chicken and rice.
What chicken?
Huh?
What kind of
I
chicken?
got a chicken bowl. It's really good.
And you don't like my adobo?
Oh. Did you get? It's too. I'm trying not to. I'm trying to eat better.
Oh wow! Is that chicken rice is better?
Yeah, it's real chicken.
But the rice is good.
Huh?
The rice is good now.
It was the
I don't
fry.
believe you.
What?
You're good on eating outside, not at home.
Oh yeah, Dad. I have a league challenge on Monday.
What is it?
Pokemon thing. It's on Monday.
Yeah, Daddy has work.
You're not working, right?
Huh?
I have work too.
Do you not? Do you have work?
Monday?
Yeah.
Yeah. Every Monday.
It's just the same time as last time.
6 o'clock.
Yeah. 6:30.
You tell when you have school, you're not gonna do that, okay?
Should do it on the weekends.
Huh?
Should do it. Turn it down.
Hmm? Mahirap daw itong gamitin. Ako talaga seafood. Ayoko masyado ng karne. Here, can I pop it a little?
No.
With that?
No.
praying yun lang.
Texting my friends.
Where is your friend lives? He lives in the area?
Yeah.
Where?
He can walk to the school.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so nice. So what time is your school on 14?
Yeah.
What time you start?
8:45, I think.
8:45?
Maybe 8:4. It might be 8:30.
Before it's 8:15, right?
Mm-hmm.
Until what time?
I think 2:30.
Okay. Are you okay crossing the street where
Yeah.
you are meeting in the donut place?
Yeah.
But you be careful there, little. Oh. I heard they rub that Walgreens there a lot. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
My friend told me. Kasi pag pinipick up ko siya sa school, may meeting place na kami dalawa. Kasi pag mismo sa school ako ko siya pipick upin, aabutin ako ng siyam-siyam. Ay, minsan, I take lunch. Yung pag-pick up ko sa kanya, lunchtime ko lang yun. Nakakita nyo lang, para na naman akong tulisan. Hindi ako nakakakain ng lunch. Kaya pipick upin ko siya. Ganoon ang buhay ko pag may pasok siya. Nagmamadali ako lagi. Pag may pasok na ako sa umaga. Pag lang ganito yung kinakain mo, parang hindi ka nabubusog. Kasi kuting-ting ka ng kuting-ting. Alam mo yun? You got all the octopus na? O meron pa? Nope. Wala. Pinuha niya ng lahat. Here, you want some?
Oh no.
What we gonna do on your birthday, Daddy?
Dad, when's your birthday?
This is 7th.
Tomorrow?
No.
Today?
No.
The 9th?
Yes.
For Friday?
No. You don't know.
It's Friday.
Saturday. What?
It's Friday's on.
Oh, today's the 7th.
So Friday.
On Friday. You're confusing the date now. Ito lang, say bye na. Say bye, guys. Go ahead, say bye. Ayaw niya mag-bye kasi wala sa daw bayad. Say hi, bye, Lita na. Just say, okay, guys. Tapos na kami, busog na kami. Bye na. Say bye, anak. Oh. Just say bye.
Bye.
Ganyan siya sa personal. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Kung ano siya sa ganyan, ganyan din siya sa personal. O, bye na, guys. Maglilinis na ako kasi busog na rin ako. Okay? Yes, guys. Maglilinis na ako ng pinagtalatan namin. Kasi, ganyan talaga. Ako yung babae, so ako lang yung huli. Tinutulungan naman ako ni ano, nung anak ko siya magkukulat ng mga garbage. Kasi tatapon sa labas. Tumutulong naman yan. Kahit pa paano. Daddy, not too loud the TV. Okot. Yes, here in the kitchen, but not too loud. Nanonood ko siya ng cartoon. Ganyan lang, guys. Pinagbigyan ko yung anak ko kasi nag-request siya. Sabi niya gusto daw niya kumain ng hotpot, seafood at saka meat. Sige lang. Minsan lang yung bumili. Kasi malapit, magbaback to school na sila. Ngayon, kaya ano na, yung nag-ano na kami. Banding-banding. Kasi pag nag-start na naman ang school, wala na. Pag nag-start ang school na, back to reality na naman. Wait lang ako nito. Mag-adjust ako. Kasi bago yung buko ko. Bagong manicure. Masisira agad. Medyo mahal ang ating manicure. Kaya, hindi pwedeng pag-isang linggo lang. Diba? Pag nalinis ko na to, everyone is full. Then, yung ending ko naman ay pag-e-edit ako. Nag-e-edit ako ng aking mga hindi ako masyadong nakapag-video sa aming team building. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi may music. Kaya hindi ako masyadong nakapag-video. Ay, alam mo naman, hirap. Ayoko nag-e-edit. Eh, mukhang lahat ng video ko na-edit ko kasi sobrang malakas yung music kahit ang tagal na inaalis ko. Pero nakakatuwa kasi bago ako mag-vlog, wala namang nakaano dun sa ano. Pag ako, nagpaalam ako, sabi ko, I can take a video. Sabi ko ganun sa post ko. Sabi ko, kung pwede lang. I mean, I'll take a video pero hindi ko ipopost. Sabi ng boss ko, oh, no problem. Sabi ng ganyan. Lahat sila, yung mga kasamahan ko. Kasi hindi naman kami naka-uniform saka sa out of work naman yun. Masaya. Nasa ano kami. Who is the pinakamasarap na luto na chili bean ba ang tawag doon? Palak. Tatanong ko sa asawa ko. Kulong tawag doon. Sa ano yun, doon sa niluto namin. Alam niyo kasi favorite ni Kano yun eh. Ako hindi masyadong, pero kami nanalo, team namin na nanalo sa pasarapan. Kung sinong masarap ang luto. Ang kakampi ko, yung boss ko na paggabi, yung kaklose, yung manager namin sa paggabi, maano sila. Nagluluto yata siya nun eh. Alam niya. Ako, di masyado ako nagluluto kasi parang American food yun eh. Chili. Ang pangalan ng grupo namin ay Chili Bang Bang. Yun ang pangalan ng team namin. Chili Bang Bang. Tawa na kami. Tapos pagkatapos ng gala-gala lang kami, hindi na kami nakapagmasyadong video kasi Gawa ng siyempre, busy. Tapos may music nga. Kaya hindi na masyado. Hindi na masyado kami ayaw nyo magpa-video. Ay, mahihain kasi mga bata. Yung mga bata, talagang pag hindi pwedeng i-force. Hindi pwedeng ipilitin. Diba? Buti ka nagpaano siya kahit konting minuto. Yes, that's my one and only son. My one and only son. Ang aking unika ito na pogi. Ang aking unika ito. Isa lang ang anak ko. Hindi pwedeng madami. Mahirap din kasi dito sa Amerika ang maraming anak. Pero hindi ako mahirap magbuntis. Yun nga lang. Talaga nag-decide kami, isa lang yung anak namin. Hindi namin alam kung bakit, pero isa lang yung napag-decision namin. Ipo-process lang para hindi masira. Pero minsan ay iisip ko na sana pala dalawa yung ano ko. Kasi ano naman pag tumatanda na tayo. Kaya lang, ganun talaga ang buhay. Nag-decide na kami na dalawa lang. Ay, na dalawa lang, na isa lang. Kasi 10 years yung gap namin. So, ang iisip ng asawa ko, pag 10 years yung aming gap, 10 years older siya sa akin. So, iniisip niya, pag nag-anak kami, nag-anak kami ng, ano siya, ng, let's say, like 5 years ago. So, 48 siya. O, parang ganon. 5 years ago. Ngayon, isip niya, unfair dun sa magiging bago namin anak. Sino nang kawawa naman daw kasi matanda na daw kami. Sino daw. Sa kanya, pag nag-50 matanda na. So, sino naman daw mag-aalaga? Sino naman daw mag-aalaga doon sa magiging bago namin anak? Kaya, nag-decision siya na o kaming dalawa na isa na lang yung maging anak namin. Ako, nung una, yung anak ko lagi nag-aas yan. Hindi siya nag-aas ng ano. Ng another baby. Sabi, yung bata pa yan. Kasabi niya, Ma'am, bumili daw kami ng bata sa Walmart. Yung gano'n, very innocent. Bumili daw kami ng bata sa Walmart. Akala mo naman, bumibili lang sa store. Parang gano'n ang pig niya. Nakatuwa. Very innocent. Okay guys, update ko kayo mamaya ha. Yes, I'm done. All table is clean. Wala nang hugasin. Kitchen is clean. Check. Check natin ito. Basura na to. Itatapon ito mamaya. Wala na. Hugasin ang lahat. Hugas na. Malinis ang lababo. Malinis na ang kusina. Yes guys, tapos na po kaming kumain and thank you for watching kanina. Pasensya na kayo, hindi masyadong umimik ang aking unika iho kasi mahihain po siya. Yun lang po. And linis ang kusina. Nahugasan ko na lahat ng mga hugasin na ginamit namin. Yes guys, tapos na po ako maglinis and nahugasan ko na lahat ng aming hugasin. Plus, nalinis na ang table. Tapos, natapon na lang ng basura. So, tutulog na tayo. Mag-shower lang ako, tapos tutulog na tayo. Plus, maraming salamat sa pagsama niyo sa amin. Medyo nagmamanti-mantiga na ako kasi super init magluto ng hotpot sa loob ng bahay. Hindi ko siya carry. Hindi na siya mauulot. Usually, dito kami sa kitchen. Pero, this time, nag-decide kami sa may dining table. At hindi siya magandang gawin. Next time, hindi ko na siya gagawin. Kasi, mainit doon. At saka, nangamoy yung ulam yung bahay namin. Anyway, pasensya na kayo kanina. Hindi masyado umiimig ang aking unika iho. Kasi mahihain siya. Plus, first time niyang mag-appear sa aking video. So, hindi siya masyado nagtutalk. Kasi, mahihain nga mga bata. Bawal pilitin ang ayaw. Alam niyo naman. Tapos sinabi ko siya, it's okay lang daw. Pero nung una, ayaw talaga niya. So, anyway, thank you for watching.